everybody, and welcome to another GarageBand tutorial with Burncage Studios. I am Nate, the Nate Hedgeman, as some like to call me. I'm glad that you're here. Shoot, I'm glad to be here. This is wonderful. This time, in this tutorial, it's going to be much less boring. We are getting right into songwriting, and I mean, that's why I'm doing these anyway, right? Doing it for anything else. I want to show you guys how to write. I want to show you guys how to use GarageBand. But before I get into that too much, let me not be rude. How are you guys doing? How's your week going? That's good. Me, it's going all right. It's kind of a weird week. Tomorrow happens to be my anniversary. And my wife, she came. She said, well, what do you want for your anniversary gift? And I said, you know, what I really want... Forget all your love and affection, all that. I really want a cardboard turntable. She looked at me like she didn't know what it was. And you may not know what it is, but you got to check this out real quick. Let's be real quick. Let me show you something that's pretty cool. All right, let me play this.
This phonograph was invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1877.
Oh, yeah.
This kit employs many of the same principles in its design.
That is the cardboard turntable. Very cool. Can you imagine the weird, funky kind of samples you could get out of that? That'd be real fun. In fact, probably next week I'm gonna build one and upload maybe a pack of samples that you guys can mess around with. But even better, I'm thinking, how about you build one and upload your samples, and we all just have fun making music with the samples that everyone uploads. That'd be really cool. See what kind of cool music we can make. I think you should do it. You should just do it. Just do it. Just build one. Just do it. You know, take Nike's advice and just do it. You know, they give wonderful advice, don't they? Okay, so we'll get right into GarageBand. We're going to be working with loops today because that's one of the most fun and completely unique things about GarageBand. It's working with their built-in loops, man. So let's get into it. Tap loops. Name it whatever you want. 120 is fine. For the tempo, click create. If you're not sure what that stuff was, go and check out my other tutorial. It kind of goes into explaining all the user interface and everything you'll see. Let me see. Let me make this big. There we go. All right. First things you got to know, this area, bam, over here, that is the loops area. And these little labels here, tambourine, and that's the filters. You click one, and it separates all of your, loops into their categories or whatever. It's pretty cool. Let me close this. Let me save some processor space. So, yeah, they've got a lot of different things here. You go into beats. Bam, click on it. And it starts playing the loop for you. You can hear what it is you're doing. It's completely controlled by your tempo here. If you click project, drag down, you can slow it up a little bit. Maybe get one. There we go. It's kind of grooving a little bit now. Oh, yeah. But when I think of GarageBand and, making music through the loops, I think about dance music, maybe a remix to some kind of, already popular song out there. I don't know. But, yeah, so that's what I'm going to be writing today. I don't know what you're going to be writing, but I'm going to be writing a dance track. And you know what? I'm going to invite you to write it with me. Hey, why don't we do that? Why don't we write a dance track together? Of course, your input will be greatly appreciated, even though I'm not even going to hear it. So let's get right into it. I like to start out my tracks with a beat. And, I want something dance, a dance beat, perhaps. Let's see what we got here. Because I'm thinking maybe something like, I don't know, maybe like house. I kind of like, oh, there's some, right? Speak of the devil. Let's see what we got here. All right. It's got an old school kind of. There we go. That not quite as much. I don't want a whole bunch of stuff going in on it. I don't personally like using loops that has a lot going on because I like to add my own stuff in there. You know, we're supposed to be building a song, not, you know, pretty much just putting a song that's already built out there. All right, so we're going to click and drag the loop right out into our arrange window, and it will, once you release, it will create a new track for you and all that good stuff. You know what? Let's change that. If yours is, you know, on seconds or minutes up there, let's change that back to measures. Bam. Wonderful. Now, let's see what we got. Cool. Click spacebar to start the playhead. Spacebar again to stop the playhead. Click C to get the loops moving or get the loop bar showing. Click and drag to stretch it out. I think I'm going to stretch this out to 9. I'm going to just do about 8 beats at a time here. But yeah, I like that. I'm feeling that. Now maybe I'm going to add a little bit of more. A little bit of more. Yeah, that's good English. Drums in there. I'm thinking maybe something in the electric drum range. You know, let's see if it's got any. And the cool thing about this, you know, you just click it. You kind of randomly kind of click through there. I like to randomly do it because you don't know what you'll come across. That one. Oh. Yeah, there we go. It's got some extra hand claps in there. Cool little filter. Yeah, I like that. Let's go ahead and put that out. Drag, click and drag and release. Let's see what that sounds like. All right, let's see if we can throw some bass on here. So we're gonna reset our filters here. Click down the bass. See what that pulls up. And me, you know, I'm a sucker for the funk. You know, so I want some kind of funky bass, maybe. Let's see. That is funky. I'm gonna keep that in mind. Drag that out here. See what that sounds like. I'm liking that. If you click, or if you go to the top right corner of your region, your little blob here, you click and drag that out, and it'll just loop over and over. And every little dip you see is where the loop starts and stops again. So, yeah, I'm kind of liking that. Let's see what other kind of, a slap bass. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, yeah, no, that's uh-oh. I don't know which one I like more. Let me see here. Let me mute this top one and see what happens. That's cool. I don't know if I like that doing that. Because it seems like it's ending. Let me chop it in half. Go to the end of the region. Bottom right this time. Click and drag, and you can trim the region how you want it. Top right. Click and drag and re-loops. Bam. Let's see what that sounds like. You know what? I just had an idea, and I don't have too many of those. So when I do, pay attention. Click your option key, and then click and drag, and it'll duplicate the region, which is pretty cool. We're gonna make that smaller. Cut that in half. Let's cut this one down. drag that one back out. And then I'm going to select all these bad boys. Oh, no, I'm just going to click this last one. That'd be a little bit smoother. And then reloop. No, let me get it the right length first. Bam. Then loop that bad boy out. Let's see what that sounds like. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that one. Let me go back to this other bassy one. Oh man, that's smooth too, but for the sake of time, I'm just gonna have to delete that one and go with my other bass, my slap bass. Now, quick thing, to delete a track, you can click, delete track, and keyboard shortcuts are your friend. So learn them. So let's start using them now. Command, delete, deletes the track. Awesome. All right, let's see what we got. Let's unmute that. Yeah. Turn it down a little bit. I want those drums to pop a little bit more. Nice. All right. You know what? I think this is missing maybe some synths. You know what? What kind of dance track do you got if you don't have some synths in there, man? Let me go down to the bottom. I've been starting at the top. You know, I was saying how I like to keep it random here. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm feeling that one. That one's cool, too. But I think I'm going to follow what the universe is telling me to do. I'm getting vibes from the universe, man. It's telling me to go with Synth Swirl 01. Oh, no, not really. I'm just going to go with that one because I like it. Yeah, let's turn that down. It's a little loud. Oh, yeah. Let's turn the drums a little bit. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Just that quick, you see? That's the cool thing about GarageBand. You can slap together some music and get yourself a song going. You can start, this would be real easy for maybe if you're just trying to get some lyrics down or something, and you just want to build a quick song together that you can write some lyrics to that may go to another song or may even go to this song, But bam, real quick and easy, you can start adding elements in there. Speaking of which, I think I'm going to throw some guitars on that funky junk real quick. Let's see what we got. Let's keep it in the funk, man. Gotta keep it funky. That's what my granddad told me. Yeah, funky electric guitar. Come on. Universe, you've done it again. Second one. That's the one I really wanted. Click and drag that bad boy out. Booyah. Let's see what we got. Loop that out. All right, cool. I think those are the elements I'm going to work with. Give me a couple minutes. I'm going to chop up this song, build the song up a little bit, I suggest you take a little time, do the same thing, and then I'm going to come right back and start throwing some effects on here and show you what I did to the track. All right. See ya right now, actually.